Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this video we are taking an objective look on Goldie Razor V2.8 and V2.8.4. It's an automated expert advisor designed specifically for MetaTrader 5. Based explicitly on the documentation provided by ProScalper, this expert advisor operates strictly on the MetaTrader 5 platform. It is focused on XAU USD, which is gold spot, and relies on an M15 range breakout strategy paired with an H4 EMA trend filter. So let us just walk through the website and break down how this system is structured top to bottom. Looking at the top overview, the system identifies its core mechanics, detecting range setups on the M15 time frame and utilizing an H4 EMA trend filter. Alright, utilizing an H4 EMA 50 to govern trade direction. Scrolling down to the feature breakdown, the site highlights 6 key systems built into version 2.8 and 2.8.4. First is the H4 EMA trend filter. Before any trade opens, the EA reads the 50-period exponential moving average on the H4 time frame. When price is above the H4 EMA 50, only buy trades are permitted. When price is below, only sell trades are allowed. Counter trend setups are filtered out entirely at the source. Now, each side can be toggled independently, and a customizable point buffer prevents trading right on top of the EMA line. Next is the yellow ladder trailing stop. The system divides the detected M15 range using 6 equally spaced reference lines. As a reversal or recovery trade progresses in profit and price touches each yellow line, the stop loss steps up one level behind price. Once on the ladder, the stop loss does not move backward, securing profits incrementally. The site also details the failed breakout recovery system. If a breakout order fails but price reverses back into the range, the EA detects this at designated edge levels, closes the losing breakout, and opens a counter recovery trade. Similarly, the pre-fill reversal triggers if price touches the breakout zone without filling the pending order, and then reverses back, opening a trade before an order fill even occurs. Now, to manage trade frequency, the developer included a reversal cooldown guard. Once a reversal or recovery trade closes, the same side is temporarily blocked until price exits the trigger zone and re-enters cleanly. Okay. Additionally, the M15 range size filter ensures trades only trigger when the detected range meets minimal or maximum quality thresholds, avoiding ranges that are too tight or distorted by sudden news spikes. Moving to the interactive simulator on the site, we can observe 4 specific operational scenarios: a failed touch leading to a sell reversal. You can see that here. And then there is also the case of a failed breakout transitioning into a recovery sell. All right. And then we have a clean buy breakout with standard trailing and break even. And then finally, we have a trend filter scenario where counter trend buy setups are blocked entirely because price is below the H4 EMA. Now, for risk management, the EA combines the H4 EMA filter and yellow ladder with automatic break-even, fast trailing mode for standard breakouts, spread filters, and on-chart execution guards. All right, the documentation also displays the on-chart dashboard interface for MetaTrader 5. It provides real-time visibility into current trend status, active range high and low boundaries, pending orders, yellow ladder SL positions, color coded P&L indicators, and the daily trade summaries directly on the chart. Okay, so performance, regarding historical performance results, backtests or third-party verified data histories, no specific historical data reports or MyFX book links were provided here. All right, none that I can see visible on the product page. Now, as a reminder, historical performance should always be evaluated carefully when available, as past behavior does not guarantee future market outcomes. Factors like broker spread, execution latency, slippage, and user risk configurations will impact real world performance. Okay, so traders should always conduct their own thorough testing and due diligence on demo environments before considering any live deployment whatsoever. Okay, so in conclusion, Goldie Razor V2.8.4 presents a structured approach to gold trading on MetaTrader 5 by combining range breakout with strict trend filtering and dynamic step trailing. It may appeal to traders looking for explicit trend-aligned breakouts and recovery logic on XAU-USD. However, no single expert advisor is suitable for every market condition or risk profile. So proper testing and risk control remain very, very essential. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.